Hi, do you like to go for long drives?
Yes, I find road trips very relaxing.
Have you ever tried sushi?
No, but I'd like to taste it someday.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I enjoy swimming, it's a great workout.
Do you like to visit art museums?
Yes, I appreciate the beauty of art.
Have you ever been to a music concert?
Yes, I've seen my favorite band live.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I love spaghetti with meatballs.
Do you enjoy going to the zoo?
Yes, I like observing animals.
Have you ever gone skydiving?
No, but I'm too scared to try it.
What's your favorite type of ice cream?
I enjoy cookies and cream flavor.
Do you like to watch the sunrise?
Yes, it's a peaceful way to start the day.
Have you ever been to a science museum?
Yes, they have fascinating exhibits.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
I like a classic margarita pizza.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I love swimming in the ocean.
Have you ever tried scuba diving?
No, but it's on my bucket list.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I can't resist a warm chocolate brownie.
Do you like to go for nature walks?
Yes, I enjoy hiking in the woods.
Have you ever visited a botanical garden?
No, but I'd like to explore one.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
I love juicy watermelon.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I like watching live performances.
Have you ever been on a hot air balloon ride?
No, but it sounds thrilling.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I enjoy a simple black coffee.
Do you like to watch wildlife documentaries?
Yes, they're informative and exciting.
Have you ever gone mountain biking?
No, but I'd like to try it.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
I like creamy brie cheese.
Do you enjoy going to the spa for relaxation?
Yes, it's rejuvenating.
Have you ever tried horseback riding?
No, but it seems like an adventure.
What's your favorite type of salad?
I enjoy a Greek salad with feta cheese.
Do you like to go to amusement parks?
Yes, I love riding roller coasters.
Have you ever visited a castle?
No, but I'd love to explore one.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I'm a fan of club sandwiches.
Do you enjoy going to the circus?
Yes, it's full of excitement.
Have you ever tried paddleboarding?
No, but it looks like a fun water sport.
What's your favorite type of candy?
I have a sweet tooth for caramel candies.